Hi friends, I am Rijo. Today we are going to discuss the topic Microsoft Defender Save Attachment. This is the continuity of my previous chapter, Microsoft Defender section. So what we are Save Attachment, what we are today plan to discuss our learning objective today. Safe Attachment Protection EOP and set up Safe Attachment Policy and a demo. So we will configure the demo how to we can do the Safe Attachment in Microsoft Defender. So we will go for our learning topic. So first I will discuss one diagrammatic representation so you can easily understand how to we can do the safe attachment will be working in the Microsoft Defender. So here you can see one of the threat actor is like attacker or something like this one. So here you can see one of the threat actor. So he will send one of email for the user inbox email box. So that email contain malware attached in that email. So you can see this email contain the malware attachment. So what happened? Email that appears from the use, it's like a heading like email that appear from the bank. The user will be see the inbox, one of the email is appear in their inbox. So once the email will be coming, user automatically open that email. So you can see here account summary attachment and please open that attached document for your account summary. So user definitely click this one. Once you click open, then whatever the attachment malware is attached, so that malware will be infected in this PC. So now the PC will be malware infected PC. So how to that safe attachment will be working? So safe attachment will be scan this attachment. So once they will scan, they will decide this one if malware infected file or something like. If malware infected file, whatever the configuration you are done in the safe attachment is either block or either quarantine. So that policy will be working. Then they will block that attachment. So now you get the basic idea of safe attachment. So we will go for what is the safe attachment? This is additional layer of protection against the malicious email attachment. And safe attachment use a virtual environment to check attachment in email message before they are delivered to the recipient. They have some uh, you can tell some virtual environment. This is internal process from Microsoft side. They will check an attachment and they will confirm this attachment is malware infected or not. So where this policy will be, you can get built-in protection already provide the safe attachment. Built-in protection means once you create the email Office 365 from your side, so you will get the built-in protection. So if you configure standard and strict preset policy, also provide the safe attachment also. So now we will go for the setup of safe attachment policy. So once you implement the policy, you can see this display link, settings, safe attachment and malware response. You can see monitor dynamic or block, like all the configuration is here. So we will discuss the each configuration. First one is off. You can see here off attachment will not be scanned safe attachment. So attachment are not scanned by the safe attachment. So once you implement this policy, if you click settings off, attachment are not scanned by the safe attachment, but still scanned by the anti-malware built-in protection. We already discussed the built-in protection. Once you create the email, Office 365 Exchange online, they will provide the built-in protection. So that built-in protection will be scan your email attachment, and only use this option to turn off safe attachment scanning for receiver who only receive the message from the trust center. If you want to off this setups like this policy, you need to confirm that is your trust center. So example, one of your company, you have one of the trust center. They will communicate with every time. So you will decide this is my trust center. And then you will off safe attachment. So that is the trust center. 0-hour auto privilege is not quarantine the message if safe attachment turned off and malware signal is not received. Why? Because once you received that email, the email after that, Microsoft will identify this file as malware attachment, that is 0-hour auto privilege. So now you turn off the safe attachment policy. This will not be work. Next settings is monitor. You can see here monitor settings. Deliver the message if malware is detected and track scanning the result. So what is this one? Deliver the message with attachment and then track what happened with the detected malware. Simple. Example, one of the organizations sending the file, attached a file for you. The message will be continuously deliver your inbox, but they will not scan at the time. but they will show that email. Then after that, they will detect the malware. Then they will add a where they will go to the malware. So this is only monitor step. They will not block or they will not do. Only they will track what happened with the detected malware. Next one, you can see the block. Block currently future message attached with the malware. So this is the recommended setting. Block the message with detected malware attachment. So once you received that malware attached email, the because of the extent you implement this policy is block, so they will automatically block. They will not deliver this message to your inbox. So they will completely block. Message quarantine by default. Only admin can review, release, or delete the message. Then next one is dynamic delivery. Dynamic delivery is a preview message type. So currently is going to the preview. So what is this? Deliver the message immediately, but it replace the attachment placeholder and the safe attachment scanning is completed. Simple things. Once you the message will be delivered, but user can see only the replacement attachment placeholder until the scanning will be complete. So the user can see the attachment, but they cannot open sometimes. So because the scanning is ongoing the process. So this is a set included for the safe attachment. Next, we will we already this dynamic delivery is unable to replace attachment in message. So where dynamic delivery setting is not work, we have off mode, monitor mode, delete mode, block mode, and now the dynamic delivery method. So dynamic delivery will not work through all. So what is the condition for the dynamic delivery is not working? So you can see here message in public folder. Email with attachment is moved to the public folder. They will not be scanned. Message that are routed out of and then back into the user mailbox using custom rule. Example, you will configure one of your message scanning from outside one of the client, like a barcode or something like this one. So they will scan your email. But that time, the safe attachment will not be checked for the your mail custom rules. Custom rule redirect the email third-party service of analyst and then back to the user mail. Dynamic delivery might today replace the attachment due to the message modified during the redirection process. Message that moved to the automatically or manually out of the cloud mailbox to the other location including the archive folder. So your email you already make the rules and the mail automatically move to archive folder. They will not be scan your attachment. User manually move email that attachment from the primary mailbox to local archive. Inbox rules move the message out of inbox into the different folder. If an inbox rule automatically move message with the attachment of the different folder and delete the message. The user mailbox search folder in the error state, they will not scan. If user mailbox encounter error while index message for search, exchange on organization where SMN enabled. If your organization use XML for email message, so this SMMA type encrypted message, they will not be scanned the safe attachment email contain attachment that encrypted using SMMA. So dynamic delivery not support by the reception mailbox. So now you understand what is the chance your safe attachment dynamic safe attachment policy will not scan the attachment. So next we will discuss for the demo. So how to we can configure the safe attachment in Microsoft Defender portal. We will go for our Microsoft Defender portal. Then we will discuss how to we can configure the safe attachment. So now we reach our Microsoft Defender portal, security.microsoft.com. So after that, you just go for email collaboration, then policy rules, then threat policy. So after you go to threat policy, you can see the safe attachment. Protect your organizer from malicious content in email, attached files in SharePoint on OneDrive and Teams. So first we will go for the safe attachment. Then after that, you can see this is the built-in protection policy. This is the default policy from the Microsoft side. So once you create your email of extent, they will automatically create for the built-in protection. So strict and pre-security policy, strict pre-security and standard pre-security. So you need to enable the strict and pre-security policy. Please watch my Microsoft authentication for email in our old video, so you can easily understand for the pre-security policies. So then you can go for creating. So just click create. So I just go for creating. So just copy that one also, then go to next. So which user you want to apply this policy, I just go for Johnny. So this is one of the user. If you want to apply the and condition to the group, also you can add for the group. Also you can add another user also, you can go for another test. So currently I just only for the Rijo. So just I will go for the next. If you want to exclude also you can exclude. So just click next. So here the safe attachment settings. So whatever the setting you want to create for it. So very important. Off attachment will not be scanned. The policy is turned off. Monitor means deliver the message. Then after that, if once you click the monitor, then you just go for the redirect message. So you can see here, send the message that contain monitor attachment to the specific email address. So you can enable for the redirect the message. So currently I just go for the block, then quarantine policy same, and the redirect message I don't want to redirect. So just I will go for the block. Then I just click next. So now the policy is completed. You review your policy. So setting we will safe attachment detection response block the current and future message, and attachment will be detected as a malware. So after that, just click submit. So now the new safe attachment policy is created. So you can see the best safe attachment policy priority is 0. So if you enable for the strict pre-security or standard pre-security policy, the strict is the lowest priority. After that standard, then only your safe attachment will be 1. So now the priority values is, and built-in protection always the priority seal. So once you click this one, you can go for more action, enable, disable or delete the message. And also you just click, you can edit this message, turn off or delete or whatever you want, you can do. And also you can create the policy. So just I will close it. So after that, we just send one email for this user. So I just copy this user. Then I will go for my one of the email. Then I will just create two. First, I need to send one test email. So just I will go for this user test. Then I just send one test email from this email address. So now after that, I just go for my email. Then I just go for here. Then I try to refresh if the email will be received or not. So you can see that message will be I received that. So now you receive the email. So I just again go for my email address. Then I will go for attach one attachment. This my resume. Then I will go for attachment, my resume, then open. Then I will send. So now the sending my message. Yeah, the message will be sent. So again I will go for inbox. I try to refresh. So now you can see again, you receive, this is my resume. So you can see attachment, you will receive this one. Message. So now you can see here, you receive the resumes. So next I will attach one malware. So I just go for again attachment. Then I will create one new email. Then I send same this one. Then paste. I attach one of the malware. Okay. So that file is attached. Then after that I try to send. The message is already sent. So I just waiting for the message will be delivered. Just I will go for here. Just refresh here also. So here just I refresh again. So now you can see here still we not receive. So I just go for my inbox. So now I receive the email from my undelivered mail inbox. So just I will go for here. Hello, your message was not delivered. One more reception. Please check the destination email address error showing the before treated. So subject this one my test attachment. So rejected by spam filter. So the email now rejected by the spam filter. So we already implement that policy. So you can go for here, show the message. This the message will be undelivered. So I just go again. Then I just go for message trace. Then mail flow, message trace, start tracing. Just I will put, yeah. Then I will go for the date 14. So today what 15? Yeah, just go for 15. Then I will put here. Then I will move to here. Then I will search. See, now you can see here two email only deliver. So the another email still not deliver in your message trace also, because this automatically blocked from Microsoft Exchange side, because that policy you implement policy working, and they will be rejected for your email. So just you can see now the safe attachment how to it's working. If you not implements just a safe attachment, the built-in protection also will be working for the your safe attachment policy. So now you understand how to you can implement safe attachment policy. Wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.